Today, we review the best 110v MIG welder that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Hobart Handler 140,115 volts. Hobart 500,559 Handler 140 is designed for quality and durability. With this powerhouse machine, you can surely tackle every type of welding job. It is also designed to weld mild steel, flux core steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Hobart Handler 190,230 volts. You can surely tackle every type of welding job with the use of this powerhouse machine. The Hobart Handler 190 can weld 24 gauge up to 5/16 steel in a single pass, and it operates at 230 volt power and is also operable at 115 volt by simply changing its plug. It is very easy to set up and quick to adjust for various thicknesses, materials, and wires. Linkoln Electric Handheld 120 VAC. As a go-to option for tyros and amateurs, the Linkoln's Power 189C provides a hassle-free and easy-to-handle machine with a 30% duty cycle. It also allows you to uniformly run the beads on any type of specimen. The Linkoln MIG is very portable at 2 pounds net weight. It is also designed for handling heavy-duty commercial welding jobs. Lotos MIG 175 top choice for aluminum. It is operable at 200 volts to 240 volts and has an automatic dual frequency. It's suitable for welding mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and other types of metals. It is easy to use and can be set up within 10 minutes. Millermatic 141 MIG Welder. The Millermatic MIG Welder comes with an auto-set feature that automatically sets the machine to its right parameters. This unit can handle materials with a thickness of up 3/16 with its 140 A maximum power output. It also helps safeguard your unit against any short circuit.